once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you noticed too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.